Alright, hello, good afternoon to each and everyone. This is Samantha Faye Yapi, 23 years old, all the way from the historic resort city of Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. So I am currently a student at Cebu Doctors University, currently taking up Bachelor of Science in Occupational Therapy, and an advocate in promoting awareness and inclusion for persons with disabilities. And of course, proudly representing Barangay UP.
Okay. Hi, it's Samantha.
Hello, good afternoon.
What's your name?
Sam.
Okay. Actually, I'm from Barangay Ubing. And the more that I would be so interested to ask questions, to make sure that Yumbing will be well represented. Okay. Joke lang to. Okay, Sam. Is this the first time you joined pageants?
No, the very first pageant that I joined was when I was 16 years old. It was in our city, Lapu-Lapu, and it was Miss Lapu-Lapu 2017, where I fortunately won the crown.
Oh, really?
Yes. I was the youngest competitor on that batch. I was 16 years old, and the age bracket from that time was age 16 to 26.
Oh, really? Okay. And, all schools in Cebu, why enroll in CDU?
I see. I think that Cebu Doctors University is one of the most known medical schools in our city, aside from Veles and Southwestern University. And Cebu Doctors simply because it's closer to where I live, Lapu-Lapu. And ever since the last thing that I could remember, I've always dreamt of studying in a profession that dedicates their life into improving the quality of living or the quality of life for people with, of course, special needs. And therefore, I was researching on certain programs that were being offered from those various schools, and I found out that Cebu Doctors University offers the best.
Oh, really?
For University of San Carlos, they don't offer occupational therapy.
Yeah. Well, I used to teach in, I happened to teach there 2016 until, 2008 until 2017.
Quite a long time.
Yes. But, well, CTU, Doctors, is going to accommodating the middle class and higher. Do you agree?
Yes, I totally agree. Most of the people studying in there are English pangka. But then when I started studying on that school, I actually applied for a scholarship program, to which I was accepted, and I'm now a scholar for a private institution called Development Center. And after which I'll be graduating and passing the board exam. Hopefully, I'll be working from that institution as well.
Okay, no plans to go abroad, work there?
It's in accordance with the contract that I have with the private institution, which is ACDC. So they have provided free tuition for me and miscellaneous expenses for 4 years, since 4 years are the required years for in order for me to graduate. And so I need to serve 4 years in working for their company as well. So after that, I'm free to go anywhere, free to go abroad.
Okay.